Collins Creek Landing has great amenities, and I'm going to walk you down to the boat ramp right now. It has a private boat ramp into Collins Creek, which puts you out right to Intercoastal Waterway. We also have boat storage in the neighborhood, and a nice little gazebo behind me, and boat trailer parking right up there. I'll take you up there too. So here's the boat ramp. Here's the boat ramp. There's loads of day. Might see some hermit crabs. I mean some fiddler crabs.
The water's super low right now. So here's the boat ramp. Look at all these crabs. Little fiddler crabs. All right, and we've got a day dock that goes up Collins Creek. And there are some homes with docks right down the street in the neighborhood. So plenty of room to unload your boat. You can hear the crickets.
So put your boat in the Collins Creek, head on out to the Intercoastal Waterway. You can go south, take a day trip down to Georgetown and have lunch, or you can go north and go up to Barefoot Landing, have lunch there. You can go over to Conway by boat, have lunch over there, or you can just cruise, ski, tube, go to Sandy Island, take a picnic for the day, anchor up, let everybody swim. Let's see, I'll show you this boat trailer parking. So you put your boat in the water, and then you've got plenty. You can just drive up here. There's actually 2 boat parking spots in Collins Creek Landing. So you can put it right up here, or a little bit further up, especially if you have a golf cart. It might be nicer because it's kind of a hike up there. But here are about 6 parking spots, I believe, and this usually fills up in the summer on Sundays, Saturdays and Sundays, pretty quickly. Another great feature we have in Collins Creek Landing is our nature trail. It's just recently rebuilt, but it's so awesome out here. So that way we'll take you up to the clubhouse. It does connect to the back of the clubhouse. So if you lived in here and had an event in here, your guests could walk down the nature trail. Or if you had a birthday party, you could have like a scavenger hunt on the nature trail or something for your kids. And this side goes down to the river. Those are called knees. There. They're just like cypress tree stumps. I believe that cypress trees grow in water, so they're very specific to our area. And here's the end Collins Creek. Still. And we'll go back. I'll walk you up to the clubhouse. Just a reminder. I've never seen one on the trail, but I'm always looking out. It's an awesome way to get some shade over here too. It feels awesome over here if you want to walk around the neighborhood. It's a way to escape the heat of the sun. We had a lot of rain this week, so there's water up here. This is usually dry. Oh my gosh, there's a baby deer. There's a baby deer. Hey, buddy. Hey. Oh, I scared her. She better look out for alligators. Here's a clubhouse, and that's the pool, so you can walk around up here, back up to the clubhouse if you're having an event or something. We're just enjoying the day, taking a stroll. And here's the pool over there and playground area. Here's our clubhouse. It's kind of like a common area. They do a Cookies with Santa Claus event here around Christmas when Santa Claus comes, and have cookie decorating. And you can rent this out for, or just reserve it. I'm not exactly sure if you have to pay to rent it. It might just be a matter of reserving it. And these plastic things can come off depending on the season. Bar area. And then this inside section is air conditioning and heated. The TV, you can set up tables and chairs depending on what you have going on. I think people have some book clubs here, Bible studies, Pilates. You can use the appliances. Great little space. And then there are bathroom and shower facilities for the pool. And here's a peek at the pool. We'll get this later. Collins Creek Landing Pool. So I can't believe we saw that baby deer on the nature trail. We actually saw some nature, and you never know what you're going to find down here. So this is the nature trail, and showed you the clubhouse, and we'll get the pool and the soccer field and the playground, and let's see, boat storage, and I can show you the front entrances also that are gated if you like to see that kind of thing. I don't know. Some people like the gates, some people don't, but it is definitely gated. And I'm kind of out of breath from this nature trail. Let's see. I'm just keeping my eyes out for an alligator. I don't want to step on one. Jeez, we've had so much rain. They might come up this way, but I think we are in luck. I'm not going to see one today. All right, on to the next stop.